Sup guys, welcome back to another Doza vlog. Now in today's video we're travelling up to Auckland from Nelson to get a new car. I'm trading in my A45 AMG for a different car, so stay tuned to see what I get. We're going to start the journey off by going over to the ferry in Picton, travelling to Wellington on the ferry, and then driving all the way up to Auckland from Wellington. It's a very big journey, lots of driving. I'm going to be doing around 1,400 kilometers without sleeping. I know I haven't even had the A45 for that long, but I've worked out a deal that I cannot refuse. There's an awesome car in Auckland that has caught my eye. This is honestly a very spontaneous mission. So yeah, let's get right into it. We're about to head over to the ferry and then start the journey. I've just arrived in Picton, figure out how to get on this Inter-Islander. I've never ever taken my own vehicle on the ferry before, so this will be a cool new experience. I'm guessing that's us. Private vehicle check-in. And now we wait. I'm very excited to get on the ferry. I haven't been in the North Island for a very long time. This has been such a spontaneous mission. I literally only booked my ferry booking about 3 hours ago, and now we're already about to board the ferry. I have no accommodation booked, and it's Friday evening right now, and my ferry back to the South Island, back home, isn't till late Sunday night, so obviously I'm gonna have to figure out some accommodation at least on Saturday night. Stay tuned to see the rest of this adventure. Been waiting in this queue for about a whole hour now.
Doza made it.
Look at that, we're finally boarding. How good. And that's the ship we're boarding there, and we're coming onto the ship now. Holden SS.
Thank you for your attention.
We got a pie for dinner now. Let's see how this one goes, eh? We got a classic kiwi mince pie with some tomato sauce. Let's see how it goes. Definitely not the best pie I've had, but it's definitely not the worst. Solid 6 out of 10 maybe. I'll tell you what though, I needed this. How good. Boats leaving the port. Now I better try and get some shut-eye because that's the only chance I'm going to get to sleep tonight, so I'll see you guys later on. Tried to get some sleep before, was very unsuccessful, but that's alright. I got plenty of coffee to keep me awake and keep me fueled up. Some good news is that I can see land. Fast approaching Wellington. We're almost at the North Island, baby. Oh, back in the wagon. Got some big rigs on here, don't we? Now would you look at that? We have touched down in the North Island, ladies and gentlemen. This is where the real journey begins. 7-hour drive up to Auckland from Wellington. We have stopped in Porirua for some fuel. Stretch the legs a bit. It's crazy to me this is going to be the last time driving this beautiful car. It's been a good adventure so far. We've got the long stretch of road to attack now. So yeah, let's fucking hit it. Right team. We've made some good progress. 11 past 5 in the morning. What a pillar of a spot. The absolute perfect spot to watch the sunrise. I mean, look at this view of Lake Taupo. I'm just going to take a moment to take this in. Relax for a bit, because I've been on the road for a long time. So I left Nelson 5:45 Friday evening, and now it is 6 AM Saturday morning. So I am 12 hours deep into the journey already. So we're almost there. Feels good. What amazing scenery. You guys don't know how happy I am to see daylight right now. Holy shit, I'm absolutely knackered. All of this driving and traveling and lack of sleep is really getting to me right now. 3 hours left till we get to Auckland. We just went past Taupo. Fuck, it's been a mission. I need sleep bad. Right, we are about 30 minutes away from Auckland. Right guys, so I've got the car. It's a very good looking car. It's got air suspension, Look at that wrecked Ferrari in there, that's pretty cool. So first impressions of the CLS 63. This is my first ever time driving it. I haven't even taken it out of comfort mode yet. Produced 516 horsepower at the factory. The V8 bi-turbo. It's got a 7-speed gearbox, AMG speed shift. Once we get on the highway, I'll put it in sport mode, sport plus mode, and we'll see what she does then, eh? Gonna fill up the car because there's not much fuel in it at all. For a twin turbo V8, just under half a tank is not good enough. We'll fill up the tank and then we're gonna head back down the North Island. I definitely need to get some sort of food as well. Right, so here the car is. Little chip marks on the window sill, but that's not a big deal. We can just paint over that. Blacked out V8 by turbo badge. Loud ass motherfucking commie. But yeah, she's a pretty good looking girl. Blacked out rear badging, blacked out tail lights, blacked out spoiler. Looks pretty sick. Let's have a look at this handcrafted twin turbo V8. Handcrafted 5.5 litre twin turbo V8. Look at it. The M157 I believe is what this engine's called. Doesn't sound bad for a factory exhaust at all, but it definitely could be louder. You can hear it being muffled up. Looks like a bit of me, I reckon. Right, just picked myself up a feed. Saw this place online called Jack's Burger Shack in East Tamaki, Auckland. Looks pretty fucking bomb, not gonna lie. Got a crunchy hokey pokey shake. This is a place here, Jack's Burger Shack. We'll go park up somewhere and then I'll give you guys a review. Right, I'm just on my way to park up and eat this food, and I couldn't help myself but try this shake on the way. Let me tell you, holy fuck, that shake is good. Jack's Burger Shack, hokey pokey crunchy shake, fucking 10 out of 10. That is some good shit. I bet the burger's gonna be bomb, I can already tell. So we got regular chips. I didn't think I needed large chips because I got a fucking big burger. Good chips. Got some guava juice for later. Now here's the main attraction. Oh yeah, it's a big burger. Look at that. Rig of a burger. Get rid of the pickles and tomato because I'm not a fan. Some of y'all are probably gonna hate me for that. Yep, I knew it. As soon as I had that shake, I knew how good it was gonna be. One thing though, is they didn't give me any fucking napkins, which I definitely need. Crazy G-Wag. Stonks personal plate, that's sick. We are currently leaving Auckland and making our way back home. Lamborghini spotted in the wild. Let's see if we can catch up to it. Yellow Lamborghini and a Camaro. Yeah, bro loves it. Yeah, that fucking woke me up. Holy fuck. That was sick. Let's see if we can get this Lambo to do another pull for us. I'll wave him. Let's see if he does one. Like, that's a cool Lambo. Come on mate, you know you want to do it. Yeah boy, what a legend. Fuck, that's sick as fuck. That sounded so good. Legend. He was loving the camera. What a legend. It is such a big car. My auntie has been kind enough to let me stay at their house tonight so I don't have to pay for accommodation. And I desperately need sleep. I still haven't slept yet after all that travelling. I might pick up the camera somewhere along the way, but if not, I'll pick up the camera tomorrow morning after I've gotten some sleep, because I desperately need it. My auntie's is about 3 hours away and I'm mostly just going to be driving in the dark at this point. It's about to get dark soon. The sunset. This thing, it's got a lot of power and it's just effortless power and it's just so easy to control. Like, it just moves. It's insane. It definitely needs an exhaust, 100%. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's beautiful. Good. Not a bad cold start. Sounds good. Shout out to my auntie Shelley and her partner Gareth for the amazing hospitality. I've just been enjoying the day at their beautiful home. But honestly, they were the nicest people. It was amazing hospitality. So shout out to them. What a journey it's been so far. We're at the last stretch of the journey. We'll get across the ferry and get into Picton around midnight tonight. And then it's a 2-hour drive back home to Nelson. I'm honestly so glad that I did this adventure. I've enjoyed this adventure so much. And I hope you guys have enjoyed watching it with me. I am absolutely loving this car. It is such a good car to just cruise along in. It's so comfortable and the air suspension makes it feel like you're just gliding along the road on a magic carpet. But it's also just got crazy acceleration when you need it. It's a beautiful car. One of the features I think is super fucking baller is this. Yeah, how sick is that? Yeah, look at that, we're getting close, guys. One thing about this car is the sound system is insane. Harman Kardon sound system. Definitely the best stereo system I've ever had. Look at that, I think I can see the Inter-Islander that we're going across on. I think the plan is to get a quick bite to eat, maybe have a little look around and then get on the ferry. Final check-in is at 7:30, so we have about an hour to play with. We are in Wellington, ladies and gentlemen. There's the Sky Stadium. What a cool spot. So we're currently on our way to Soul Shack Hot Chicken. So I'm gonna grab that for dinner. Looks quite good online, so we'll check it out and see how we go. Just need to find somewhere to park. We found a pretty cool parking spot next to this sick Audi. Looks good in black. Sick RS4 and a sick Saudi 63. Goes good. The RS4s look so good. Love me an Audi as well. Right, we've got our food. Now we're on the way to check into the ferry. This chicken sure does smell good. I'm not used to big city buildings like this. Wellington's a cool place, but it's definitely a different vibe compared to Nelson. Yep, that's it. The Rinter Islander. That's where we need to go, guys. It must be straight ahead here. Yeah. I think this is us. Yep, vehicle chicken. Guess we follow that sign. Vehicle chicken. That is us. Right, here we are. Waiting the queue and let's check in. I'm gonna start getting into this while I wait. Right, let's see what we're working with, eh? That is tasty chicken. We got an Audi A4 in front of us. Yep. That chicken's really good. That is honestly almost a 10 out of 10. They've got such tasty seasoning on it. And the sauce is really good too. Good, thanks. How are you?
Good, thank you. Any animals or pets traveling with us?
No.
Park at line number 5 at the back.
Awesome.
Have a nice trip.
Thank you so much. Chicken burger. Nice Audi S8 right next to me in the queue. Pretty tidy. We are getting on. Let's go. Oh, this is pretty cool that we drive along here. That's pretty cool out there. It's always so weird driving onto a boat like this.
Due to licensing restrictions.
Fuck, I've been deleting these hot chocolates on the ship because they're free, so why not? But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed coming along on this journey with me. I sure am happy to be getting home very soon. Back in the Southeast. About to get ready to drive off the boat now. Then a 2-hour drive back home. It's been such an awesome adventure. I've really enjoyed it, but I'm very excited to get back home and go to sleep in my own bed. So yeah, that's it from me, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like and a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Peace out. See you in the next one.